Welcome to Western's La Crosse location. We are excited to show you around our beautiful campus located in downtown La Crosse, between the bluffs and the Mississippi River. We'll start with the Integrated Technology Center. This state-of-the-art building was built back in 2015 and houses several of our industrial programs. Let's take a look inside. Here on the first floor is where we house our building construction cabinet making program, as well as our welding and fabrication labs. The skills learned here are in high demand across all types of industries. On the second floor, we house our agribusiness, air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration programs. Also on the second floor is our green roof. This is a cozy spot with great views of campus. It also provides extra insulation and decreases rain runoff during a heavy rain. The third floor of the Integrated Technology Center houses our mechatronic and robotic engineering program, our interior design program, and our Internet of Things integration specialist program. Each of these programs teach through hands-on learning and immersive experiences, empowering students to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios and gain practical skills essential for their chosen careers.
Also on the third floor is our living wall. This is completely maintained by our landscaping horticulture student. Each plant is in an individual pot and needs to be trimmed periodically. Speaking of horticulture, you can see our Horticulture Education Center right across the street. This houses our horticulture technician program. It's not just a classroom, it's a greenhouse. Look at all these lovely plants. Back at the Integrated Technology Center, we want to show you one more thing. It's exposed walls. This offers our programs a chance to help our students better understand what they are learning in the classroom and be able to transfer it into real-life examples. We love that practical learning, can you tell?
Connected by this second floor walkway, we are headed to the Student Success Center. Here on the first floor, we are in the Welcome Center, where you will be greeted by our front desk staff.
Welcome. How can I help you?
They will help you connect with one of our admissions coaches. This area also houses our cashier's office and financial aid.
Here on the second floor, we have a lot of support services, including access services, counseling and case management, and the space. The space is the student place of action, culture, and empowerment. It hosts lots of awesome events to bring together people on campus from all backgrounds. It offers a great place to study, de-stress, or simply just hang out. And finally, we have our Learning Commons. There are plenty of resources here to help you succeed academically, including peer and individualized tutoring for most classes. It is also home to our library collection and the Cavalier Cupboard, which is Western's food pantry for students.
Attached through another hallway is the Business Education Center. This space houses several business programs, including accounting, human resource management, and digital marketing. The building also houses our IT programs, including web and software, network technicians, and our latest program, cybersecurity and network administration. The big practical skills here are teamwork and collaboration. You can see that the classrooms and study spaces are designed around these core principles.
Next on our tour is the Kumm Center. This houses many of our medical programs, including surgical technology, CNA, and nursing. Here on the first floor is our Union Market. It is a great hangout space on campus and offers a number of food options, including subs, pizza, burgers, and tacos. Also on the first floor, we have our Student Life Office. This is where you get your student ID, your parking passes, and you sign up for the residence hall. Across the hall here, we have our Spirit Shop. This is where you can find Western apparel and supplies. Textbooks are available online through a program called eCampus. You can choose to ship your books to the Spirit Shop, directly to your home, or to any of the regional locations.
Here on the lower level, you will find our esports arena. The Cavalier Arena is a gaming facility equipped with various consoles and high-end PCs. It's open to all Western students for individual use, social activities, and downtime with membership access. On the third floor is Western's Nursing Simulation Lab. In this area, there is a mannequin that can bleed, give birth, and sweat. This lab provides a simulation that gives real-life experience to our nursing students. In the other room, a nursing instructor can watch and offer suggestions afterwards. Our surgical technology program lives at Kumm Center as well, and recreates surgical rooms of our 2 local healthcare providers. A number of health programs are actually housed at the Health Science Center at EW Crosse. The building is a joint venture between Western, UWL, and our community health partners.
Welcome to the Coleman Center. Here is our Digital Media Production Center. In the program, students learn all about digital content with video and photos. Also on the first floor is Western's Foundation Office. The friendly staff are happy to help when you are applying for scholarships. Western offers more than 500 scholarships through one application, so make sure to do it. On the third floor, you'll find our classrooms for Early Childhood Education Program and the Foundations of Teacher Education Program. Notice these rooms are set up to mimic a children's classroom.
Located in the administrative building, you will find Western's Wellness Center. The Wellness Center offers lots of great fitness resources for students, like free weights, weight machines, group fitness classes, and cardio equipment. If you're an athlete, Western has men's and women's basketball, volleyball, baseball, and esports teams. Find out more information or fill out our recruitment form on our website.
Western offers apartment-style housing for our students. This means 4 students will share a suite, which includes a bathroom, living room, kitchen, and 2 bedrooms. There are also some common areas, a game room, study room, community kitchen, and a laundry room. The hall hosts lots of fun events and activities designed to help you connect with others and make friends. Thanks for joining the La Crosse campus tour. If you'd like to come visit in person, please use the link below to find a time that works best for you. If you have any questions attending or getting around campus, please contact our wonderful folks at the Welcome Center, and we hope to see you soon.